In this next section, we see Andrew placing the insurance of LBJ Storage with Piers, the underwriter. We pick up the action again at Robert's office.
Thank you for the coffee, Andrew. Well, we can clearly see where we slipped up in the client meeting. What about placing the risk? Why don't you tell us how you got on with the underwriter?
Piers Bottomley. I lay a lot of the blame for this at his door.
Andrew?
Well,
I'm trying to be patient, Andrew.
I called him from LBJ's office. I was very keen to close the deal before I...
Went off on holiday.
Hello.
Hello, Piers Bottomley.
Speaking.
Hello, Andrew Phillips of Bowling and Barker. We're the new brokers on the LBJ storage account. You're aware that it's coming up for renewal shortly?
Yeah, in the next 24 hours. I've only glanced at the file, mind. Actually, it was my deputy underwriter, Dave Stewart, who used to handle this one, and, well, he's left.
Well, it's pretty straightforward, won't take long. I'm dashing off on holiday this afternoon, so I'll keep it quick. I've just had a meeting with LBJ himself to obtain the renewal information. I've got a signed proposal form and I'm looking for a competitive quote.
Well, I'll see what I can do. Anything new I should know about?
Not really. No surprises. Business seems to be good.
And what are they storing?
Ooh, all sorts. Furniture, pottery, foodstuffs, chemical fertilisers.
I see. Well, it's quite a range. What about fire safety? Have they got that sorted?
I'm sure they have, but I'll make a note for you. I'll check for you.
And a survey. When was the last one done?
There was one on the file. Oh, the valuation is as per expiry, but with an uplift for inflation. The figures are in the proposal form, which I'll have faxed over to you.
Good. I'll want to see a new survey, though, say within 14 days. Now, from my file, I can see that there are 2 warranties. One, that a satisfactory fire system is on, and the other that they have a guard patrolling the premises. I'll quote on those terms. Presume that's all right with the policyholder.
If that's what was in place last year, I'm sure that'll be okay. I've got instruction to finalise placement today, so if you're no more than 2% over last year's rate, you'll get the order.
Well, I think we can agree to that, so looks like it's in the bag.
Great. Well, listen, I've got to go, but I'll email to confirm and I'll organise that surveyor. Thanks for your help. Cheers. Bye.
Hi, this is Jules White. I'm in meetings this morning, but we'll be back at my desk this afternoon. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi, Jules. The deal is done. I'll let LBJ's secretary know he's covered and that everything's okay on my way out. I'm just emailing Piers to confirm. God, I love Bluetooth. Could I ask you to send the proposal form off to him and book a surveyor ASAP? Oh, and check about fire precautions. I'm sure with the new upgrades and everything, they've had fire alarms and everything installed, but Piers just wanted to be sure. See you when I get back. Bye. Send. Yes.
Well, you've seen the team in action and you've heard about the situation. So now click on the next step in this section.